Hi, in this video I will show how to use Tcx Viewer app to view Tcx GPS data from Tcx file. This is my website. I will link to description. To download app, I double click on download button and wait until file will be downloaded. Then click on archive. On the loaded archives, double click on setup MSI file. I will get this message because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. This is why I see publisher, unknown publisher. I'll click run anyway. Click on next, install. Click on yes, and click on finish. I can close this. Now, to launch app, I double click on Tcx Viewer, and basically it's a simple app. I can select input file, click on select input file, and I can check on any Tcx file I want to see. And you can see it contains time, latitude and longitude degrees, and altitude meters, and schemas, and version of device, and version of the file, and notes. And when for example, because it was saved from Germina device, and you can see calories, maximum speed, distance, and all in there. I can export this data if I want it to different formats, like I can save it as Excel, as a Word format, or as a web page, or CSV data if I want to use it for different things. And yeah, basically that's it. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll link to this app into the description. Thank you.